Welcome to chapter 5. In this chapter we are going to be look at that how can we create the PowerPoint slide within a minute. If you want to be create the PowerPoint slide, it is very simple by using ChatGPT. Whatever topic you want to create the PowerPoint slide, it's a very simple. I'm going to create the PowerPoint slide about Dr. Abdul Kalam. You know well that the great scientist in India whose name is Dr. Abdul Kalam. So I want to get the PowerPoint slide points from ChatGPT about Dr. Abdul Kalam. So how can I get it? It's a very simple. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to the ChatGPT and I'm going to click that new chat and I'm going to I'm going to get the slide points about Dr. Abdul Kalam. So I'm going to write slides about Dr. Abdul Kalam, Dr. Abdul Kalam. Dr. Abdul Kalam. And I'm going to click here. If I click here, the ChatGPT, it will create the slides. You can see slide 1 is the introduction. Under this introduction, we want to put that Dr. Abdul Kalam major point, and slide 2 early life and education, slide 3 contribution to Indian missile program, the slide 4 presidency, and it will write and slide 5 awards and honors, and it will create the slide with the slide point. So this is really awesome. And slide 6 is legacy. So there are 6 slides. It's ready. You can create the PowerPoint slide based on this point. You can create the slide about Dr. Abdul Kalam. And if you want to get that more explanation about this slide, I'm going to ask to ChatGPT explain it, because I want to get that more details about this slide. Explain it, and it will explain. Certainly this slide provide an overview and the life of accomplishment of Dr. Abdul Kalam, and it's a give more details about Dr. Abdul Kalam, and I'm going to tell to ChatGPT explain each slide. Explain each slide. And you can see each slide point, it will give a more example. It will give the more details about each slide. So this is how you can generate and you can create the powerful and smart PowerPoint slide by using ChatGPT. It's a really great facility which is given to OpenAI. So your PowerPoint slide is ready. You can take the point from ChatGPT and you can insert and you can paste it into PowerPoint, and really great features. This is a really great features which is given by ChatGPT.